Let's go for a ride. Well, I cleaned up another transformer after I took that short, and half was copper, so that's good. Then I cleaned up one of the AC coil units, and got all that copper on the step back there. And then after I get back, I'm probably gonna clean up that other one, and I don't know what else, but I think tomorrow's the day. So the day is the day, and I gotta get stuff around to go on that day. So it's approaching quick. And I was up at 9 this morning, but then I ate a little bit of something and then I fell back asleep. So there you go. What you're supposed to do when you fall back asleep, I guess when you're tired, you're tired. So you gotta get your sleep when you can get it. And yeah. So I don't know, it might have been the 5 energy drinks I drank yesterday. That could have had something to do with how I was feeling today. I don't know. It's hard to say. But I'm feeling all right now. So I'm feeling a little weak, but I was just on a Sawzall for a good half hour, almost 45 minutes actually. Not really. No, it was a half hour. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and stick around. You never know what we're going to get into. I might keep this video running when I get back to the house and do some more cleanup. I haven't decided yet. I might clean up that microwave that we got yesterday and find out why it's so darn heavy. It might be a full copper transformer in there. And if it is, then I might as well break it down. So I'll catch you back in a few. I just found a steam vac. I'm taking it. I gotta turn around, but I can't slow down because I have no brakes. I don't think Walt takes them, but the other scrapper. Even if he does, he ain't getting this one. I'm getting it. So, 1930 Rat Rod. That is beautiful. He has put some work into it. Wow. I can't believe it. It's just amazing. It's got Woody the Woodpecker on it too. Nice. There she goes. There's literally nothing else out but that vacuum, or that steam cleaner. So I picked it up, and let's see what's in this dumpster. Probably one of them hanging mirrors, which I won't touch. Yep, that's exactly what it is. No, I'm good on that one. But, yeah, I haven't found nothing else out, so I will catch you all later. He put it out to the road. Let's see what's in it. I don't want to glass that I don't want. That's this. I don't know. But I guess it's easy along. That's an easy tear down. Not much to them. Told you I seen a cord in there the other day. I'll see y'all later. Well, there's a little storm cloud over top of us, and it's spitting on us. So I'm heading to the house, and I don't know how much more I'm gonna get done today. Probably not much, but yeah, we'll see. I mean, it looks like it might just pass over us in a few minutes, but it's sprinkling on us right now, and I don't want the phone to get wet like it did before and it mess up on us. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. And everybody, stay blessed. I'm working on everything, so getting everything tore down, getting it ready for tomorrow. I'll see you later. Alrighty, that storm cloud looks to be moving right over past us, so clear blue skies for a while. So guess what? I'm gonna set you up maybe right here. Oh, hold on. And we're gonna find out what makes that microwave so heavy. Mike's rolling. I almost went through a roll. cricket inside it. Oh. Oops. Can't do nothing without the bit. Luckily, that one's a bolt also. So, maybe I don't have to take it off either. Maybe I do. Well, guys, I'll be back with you in a minute. There's no real rhyme or reason why it's so heavy, but that's what we got. The fan motor, which is copper. I bet that transformer is copper since it's so heavy. And then the Megatron, or Magnavox, or whatever it's called, thing that sends the volts through the machine to cook the food. And then that we'll just throw into our bucket. So I hope you all enjoyed this little video, and come back and see me again. Have a blessed day.